In this video, you will learn how to set up credit alerts in BNTouch. First, activate the Credit Alerts module in BNTouch. Navigate to the Options page in the CRM. Locate the module with the title Credit Alerts. Click the title. On the next page, review the pricing and click Enable Module. Navigate to the Options page and locate the tool with the title Credit Alerts. Click the title. On the next page, you will find three options for selecting which records to monitor: all mortgage records, selected groups, or selected marketing sequences. All mortgage records. This option will include all mortgage records in the monitoring. Any borrower who pulls a credit report from a mortgage provider will appear in the alerts. The user's selection will allow for selecting specific borrowers. Selected groups. With this option, select the groups you would like included in the alert monitoring. After selecting one or more groups, the user's selection will allow for selecting specific borrowers in the selected group or groups. Selected marketing sequences. With this option, select the marketing sequences you would like included in the alert monitoring. After selecting one or more marketing sequences, the user's selection will allow for selecting specific borrowers in the selected marketing sequence or sequences. It is important that all records selected for monitoring have the following data present on each record: first name, last name, date of birth, social security number, and mailing address consists of street address, city, state, and zip code. To access the reporting interface for the credit alerts issued, navigate to Dashboard, Alerts, and Credit Alerts. Use the Alert Date field to select a specific date range to filter the report by. Use the menu to select between all, active, or dismissed alerts. Each day, one or more alerts are issued for the monitored records. An email notification will be sent summarizing the record or records.